Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have Audi A4 that came to us with the issue with the MMI console. This is here. The car is equipped with a 3G system and the MMI console has two issues. First, the volume control knob is having issues controlling the volume going up and down. So if I demonstrate, I'm trying to scroll up and down and I'm going up and it's just, as you can see, playing up, it's jumping. So that's the first issue. And the other issue is the main controlling knob here. Again, if I scroll up and down, as you can see on the screen here, I'm scrolling up and it's not going up, it's going actually down and it's just jumping. And the same way if I try to scroll down, it's jumping, as you can see. I'm doing it here. So we're gonna strip this down, see what's happening, and then try to assess the repair for it. Right, we have done all the diagnostics on the console and we found that the main area for the main control knob here, it was covered with dust, was really dirty. The car is over 10 years old, so obviously it's normal for dust to pick up, to just store in there. And then what it does, it covers the little light diodes. And the way the system works is controlled by light. So if any of those light control diodes are covered with dust, then that interferes the light signal. And then that's what happens when you get these control knobs stop working and then they don't operate as it should be. But however, we've cleaned the whole board. So I'll show you now, I'm scrolling it left to right and it's working absolutely fine as it should be. However, we had another issue, which was the main button for the power and volume here. This, unfortunately, is faulty. It's a physical failure. So if I'm trying to increase the volume, it's still malfunctioning. So I'm going down and it obviously jumps back up or the other way around. So as you can see, so this needs repairing. It can be done separately to the main circuit board here, so we can do that. So we're gonna proceed with that and I'll show you the final effect. Right, so we've completed the repair on this. So this power and volume control knob now has been replaced. So all the electronics are new for this and are fully working. So if I go first again to demonstrate the main knob, which is scrolling here left and right, and as you can see on the menu there, it goes left and right. And now if I go to radio, just to demonstrate again, I'll turn the volume up and down. So
it's not necessarily because the teachers are
it goes lovely up and down exactly as it should be. So yeah, so full repair of this MMI console again involved cleaning the whole circuit board and replacing the volume control electronics. If you want more information, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you again for joining us. And till the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.